Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add item filter to Path of Exile. And to do this, first we'll need to open our browser and look for PoE item filter. Then look for this website, popular item filters in Path of Exile. Make sure it's their official website and open it. Right here you'll see the list of all filters, and I would recommend to choose first three. So there's AAA, ranged, melee, and a caster. So depending on which class you're playing, choose a specific filter. You can even add all three of them and just use them if you change characters. So let's go for a melee in this case. Then scroll down and look for copy. Click on it, and right here we can customize the filter name and any other options. So let's name it Barb, and then pick a platform which you're playing on, and this is most important step. So if you're playing on Xbox, go for Xbox, and PlayStation if you're playing on PlayStation. In this case I'm going for PC and game type normal. Now scroll down again, click on submit. Now filter is added to your game, and you can open the game and then log into your account. Click on escape, select options, and right here is in the game you can find item filters. Let's add this one and click on save. So now it's added to the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.